Hello, welcome to the Hustle Diet. Did you know we were created using one single tool and prompt?
So you clicked on this video because you want to learn how to
Did
create
I just
3D
hear a
animated
meow?
talking characters with perfect lip sync using a single and free AI tool. If that is you, congrats, because this video is all about that. But before we get any further, let me show you a simple and short story that I created using Grok AI.
Gizmo, today feels like the perfect day for an adventure. I'm ready, Leo. Where shall we go first? This map could lead us to the legendary Garden of Wonders. Scanning map, adventure parameters set. Let's go. Almost there, Gizmo. Just one more jump. You've got this, Leo. I'll keep watch. The trees are whispering, Gizmo. I think they're guiding us. Audio sensors detect faint melodic patterns. Let's follow them. These runes must be the key to opening the gate. Analyze, I've decoded half. Let me try the sequence. We made it, Gizmo. It's more beautiful than I imagined. Our adventure was a success, Leo. Let's explore.
So that looks perfect, right? So let me show you how I created that using a single prompt and Grok AI. So let's get started. So step number one is creating our story structures, the visual prompts, and even the dialogue. And for that, we'll be using ChatGPT. And don't worry, I already have the prompt, but I've included it in the description. It's a copy and paste. All you need is to copy it and paste it in your ChatGPT account, or you can just edit it, add some tweaks, or even add your details as you wish. So I'm going to paste in my prompt, and I'm going to hit create. So perfect. As you can see, ChatGPT has just created our story, and if you look it down, it has broken it down into scenes. There is scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and everything. So you can see that for every scene we have the text to image prompt and the image to video prompt. And the thing about these master prompts that I gave you is that at the end of every image to video prompt there is also the dialogue. Okay, so what we're going to do now is that we are going to get this text to image prompt, and we are going to copy it, Ctrl+C or Command+D if you're using a Mac. We are going to use Grok to create our images. So let's get started. So here we are inside Grok, and as you can see, they already have some videos created, which looks really amazing. So the first thing you are going to do once you are into your Grok account is to change your settings. Let me show you. So you're going to come here to your profile and choose settings and select behavior and move down to enable to this automatic video generation, and make sure that you disable it. So what this is going to help you is that whenever you create an image, it's not automatically turned into a video. You will have the opportunity to add your prompt as the way you want to animate your image. Okay, so make sure that you disable this automatic video generation. So what we are going to do here, we are going to type in our prompt, but the first thing, we are going to come here on the right side of your screen, and you are going to choose the aspect ratio. For this time, I'll be creating this 2 to 3 aspect ratio. So if you want, let's say you want a YouTube long form video, you can choose this, or if you want an Instagram video or an Instagram feed video, you can choose this. So I'm going to keep it to this, and I'm going to paste in my prompt. As you can see, Grok has just created our images in a 3D style, and they look really amazing. So what we are going to do is that we are going to choose one that we are pleased with and turn it into a video. So this step is for animating our images. So let's say like this one. So what we are going to do is that we are going to head back to ChatGPT and copy this image to video prompt, and make sure that you're also copying the dialogue. And what we're going to do, we are going to come here and just paste it in. And here what I like to do is that I'm going to replace, like if you look here, the dialogue, it says Rio, so I'm going to replace it with the boy to make it easier for Grok AI. And for this name of Gizmo for the robot, I'm going to add the robot. So this is good to go. So I'm going to hit create. So perfect. As you can see, our first video has just been created. Let's review it and see how it looks.
Gizmo, today feels like the perfect day for an adventure. I'm ready, Leo. Where shall we go first?
So it looks really amazing, and I love the way the lip sync is so perfect. Every character in the story is saying their dialogue in time, so I like it. I'm going to go with it, but maybe sometimes you might not be pleased with the voice, with the sequence of the scene. All you have to do is to hit here redo, and it's going to start to recreate it from scratch. But I would recommend just changing your prompt just to make sure that it comes out the way you want it. So for the sake of visual consistency, and by that I mean the character consistency and the environment consistency, we are not going to create the second image for our second scene. Instead, we are going to use the last frame from this first video and use it as our first frame for our second scene. Let me show you. So we're going to play this video until the very end. So what we're going to do is that we are going to copy this frame, and we are going to come into this prompt box and place Control V or Command V if you're using a Mac. So as you can see, this is our first frame for our second scene. So what we are going to do, we're going to head over to ChatGPT and just copy our image to video prompt for the second scene. So perfect. So as you can see, our third video has just been created and looks really amazing. The lip sync is perfect. If you find like for some reasons the lip sync is not perfect, all you need to do is to redo it. So what we're going to do is that we are going to repeat the same process. Copy video frame. But for now, if you look where you see that this prompt box is now grayed out, you can't copy your frame in and just put the prompt. So what you're going to do is that you're going to hit this backward button. And as you can see, this prompt box is now available to use. So we are going to paste in our video frame. Okay, so as you can see, this is the first frame of our video. So we are going to bring in our image to video prompt. So perfect. As you can see, our video looks good and the lip sync is on point. So quick thing to notice that I forgot to mention that whenever you're done with creating your video and you're pleased with it, you're going to hit download and it's going to be downloaded to your PC and you're good to go. So Hustlers, that is how you create a 3D animated story with talking characters and with perfect lip sync. So the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to sync and edit our story so that it's coherent and it makes sense. So for this, I'm going to be using Capcut, but you can use Canva, you can use Premiere Pro, you can use DaVinci, whatever editing software that you're using. So I'm going to open Capcut. So once we are inside Capcut, we are going to import our resources. So after importing our resources, we are going to drag them to the timeline. So as you can see, sometimes Glock struggled with keeping the right dimension. You are going to have to adjust a little bit, but this is a no biggie thing. So we are going to go, I'm going to add all of our scenes. So Hustlers, I think our story is done, but if you want, you could just do better. So you can add the background music, you can just add the captions, the transitions in between scenes, you can just add effects and stickers, but we'll not be doing that in this video because that would make it unnecessarily long. So what we are going to do now that we are done, we are going to hit export. So Hustlers, that is how you create a 3D animated story with talking characters using Grok AI, for free and in just a few minutes. So I hope it was easy for you. I hope it was beginner friendly. Let me know in the comments. And as usual, if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, to subscribe to the channel, to comment, and even to share it with your friends. So that is it for today's video. Until then, keep creating. See you in the next